face. And I thought life was over. I feel just unstoppable when I've got my makeup on, you know? I'm just Tanya. Hello everyone, this is Burn Beauty 2018, and this is the last in our series of a full face of makeup, just kind of broken into sections. And this time we're going to do some blush, our lip, and highlighter. And then set it and forget it. This does not take long. I've been having some trouble. If you saw the previous videos with my lash, it is not the lash's fault. It is user error. Got like a big hunk sticking out that I just got to figure out what to do with. But that's part of doing makeup. So I have Tarte Maneater liquid blush in Berry. I want it right up here. And I don't want it to come too far out near my mouth. I want it kind of halfway under my eye. That's where I want it. I want it to come up. And then I have a liquid blush blending brush by Morphe. And you just go at it and just go down. You don't want to go up with it, okay? You're just kind of patting it into place. This Tarte blush can be done in layers, so it's buildable. If you want to be more pink than this, you can be, but I think one layer is just a plenty. But there might be times where you might need more, just depending on what you're doing. Or you might need to add more later. No big deal. You can build right on top of it. This is a little bit thicker down. I've been finding that I'm doing my blush a little bit thicker than I normally do. And I'm not sure that I like that. I'm going to take some off. That I like. I don't like it being thicker, and I don't like it being near my mouth. Just for my face shape. You do yours the way it best looks on you. When you're looking in the mirror like this, you can make a decision. You know, and if you're not sure, look it up. Or if you don't trust your decision making, look it up. But I say, trust yourself, sis. You know your face better than anybody else does. And sis applies to everyone putting on makeup that I'm talking to. Put no makeup with me, you're my sis. Let's line our lips. Do you guys know how to do that? I like to use a handheld mirror to do it. I think that what I want to do today is line my lip and then just put some lip gloss in it, because my eyes have got a lot going on. I've still got to fix this eyelash. I'm going to get some little scissors and fix it because I messed it up. I got glue in it or something. Didn't cut it. There we go. And everybody at Lashes So Fly just fell over. So I'm going to line with sort of a dark burgundy. And when I line, I have to draw my lip. My upper lip has no shape at all. It is made from my lower abdomen. And make my Cupid's bow, because I do not have one. So did you see what I just did with my lip liner? It's kind of everywhere. It's not a thin line. Let's use this. See what happens. This is actually lipstick, not gloss, and it's by Colourpop. What do you think? I just brushed it off. I kind of brushed it away. It's kind of looks like a peach, but I kind of like it. So I need to get back to my inner eye highlight. I told you when we did our eyeshadow that it would probably need to be fixed a little, and it's mostly gone from this eye because I've been messing with that eyelash so much. So there's the Trophy Wife inner eye contour. It's just so pretty. And then I don't really want Trophy Wife. I don't think I want it on my cheeks. I'm not sure. Let's use Hustler, No Money Hustler Baby, which is my standard Fenty highlighter. And let's put some on the cheek. This is a Morphe highlight brush. Works really great for me. I really like it. Then tip of the nose. Then I like to get some on my chin. I don't really love it right here. I put like, boop, like one. I feel like I look sweaty when I have a lot right there. And then I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going to come down right in between my nose. Guess what we are? Stick a fork in it. We are done. We are beautiful. We are, hello, beautiful. I know you can't read it, but I don't care. Maybe I'll have one printed in reverse so that y'all can read it. I feel like my wig looks good today. I feel like my makeup looks good. We're going to finish the hair with the hair video that comes after this because this is this wig actually has a little bit of glue on it that I normally don't do. Not glue, but lace bond. So tune in and let's see what we can do. Please, I hope you enjoyed all the different parts of this look and you can mix and match them. We're going to continue making different parts. I hope that you will subscribe, like, share, comment, tell your friends to mix and match looks. We're going to do a halo eye. We're going to do smoky eyes. We're going to do graphic eyes. We're just going to do everything. And we're also going to do skincare because that's really important to burn survivors and just to 49-year-old women and really to 29-year-old women. It's important to everyone to take care of your skin. So we're going to do all those things and I am so looking forward to it. I am looking forward to seeing you here again. Please join me, subscribe, and get notifications so that you'll know when I put new videos up. Whatever you're going through, remember that this too shall pass, and also remember that you can always message me if you need a friend.